Hello. So, what happens at open houses sometimes if there are no would be visitors? It's like this, it's quiet. You can hear the crickets, and I'm almost 100% sure that HGTV does not show you this. So, what do? Sometimes we sing, we talk to ourselves, we listen to podcasts, try to stay positive, get that right frame of mind. So when someone comes, we're approachable, we're happy, and yeah. Can you still hear the crickets? So yeah, this job sometimes is lonely. FYI, of those who are thinking of coming into the industry, HGTV definitely doesn't show you this. Have a good one, guys.